What's going on, my good people? It's your boy Jay Fry, letting you know about this Miracle Bamboo pillow. This as seen on TV pillow is supposed to be the world's most comfortable pillow and perfect for all sleepers. Now, I've had it for a minute now, and I'm going to let you guys know if it's perfect for me or not. So stick around and find out if I think it was worth buying, or should I have just went with a standard pillow. This is a 3-in-1 shredded memory foam pillow with viscose from bamboo cover. And the 3-in-1 is determined on how you position the pillow. So you can fold it in half if you're going to watch TV or read or whatnot. Lay it on the side if you want more of a fluffier support. And then you can lay it flat for a more cradling support. Now, I don't know about you guys, but all the pillows I've had, I feel like it's a 3-in-1 because I do it with all of them. What you think? As I said, this is one of those as seen on TV products. Now, we paid $24.99 for this queen size pillow. I figured it was a pretty good price compared to some of the other pillows I wanted to try. Now, let's check this pillow out. This is your washable viscose bamboo cover. It's pretty thick, and I assume it needs to be thick because if it wasn't, you'll feel the lumpy memory foam on the inside. And also, I guess it has something to do with the cooling effect. So I must say that is pretty comfortable. Alright, now inside the pillow is your shredded memory foam, and to adjust the support from firm to medium or soft, you have to remove some of the foam to find your comfort. For me, if I just wanted to use the pillow to lay up and watch TV, I would keep it firm, but there is no way I could sleep with this pillow without removing some of the foam. It was just too thick. It probably sits around 7 to 8 inches high, which is a little bit too much for me. Now, I've already removed the foam out of this one to get it semi close to where I want it. I did purchase this pillow to use while sleeping, so I had to remove some of the foam in it to find my comfort zone. It took me like 3 nights of adjusting the amount of foam in this pillow before I found that, and I'm still not quite there yet. I just didn't want to keep messing with this shredded foam. Now, the pillowcase is soft and smooth. I can feel the difference compared to my regular pillow and pillowcases, so that's a plus. I also like that the memory foam adds another comfort level to the pillow. But overall, I feel like it's a pretty good pillow, but not the world's most comfortable pillow, and definitely not the perfect pillow for me, as I mentioned. After removing foam to find a comfort level and having extra foam sitting around, it seems like a waste of a few dollars to me. But once you remove the foam, it is easier to shape the pillow how you want, but as you adjust when sleeping, the shredded memory foam goes back to its shape, but the pillow in the hole doesn't go back to a standard shape. So you have to keep adjusting the pillow throughout the night, if that makes any sense. Anyways, I'm going to keep using the pillow, but I would have been okay with a standard pillow for just half the price. Let me know down in the comments what type of pillows you guys use and if you like it or not. Also, if you're still interested in this pillow or one similar, just select the link down below in the description. That's it for this video. I appreciate you watching, and if you're still here, go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe button and share this video. Holla at your boy.